It is Saturday. It is about 1 o'clock. I'm at Walmart right now waiting on my grocery pickup order. I'm gonna do like a grocery haul for you guys and, you know, incorporate this into like a weekend vlog type of thing. I did a poll on my community tab asking you guys if you guys were interested in watching vlogs, and you guys said yes. So I'm, you know, here to provide for y'all. So I only did enough for like 1 week. Normally I'll grocery shop for 2 weeks, but I didn't really feel like it. So yeah. So the reason why I wanted to do like a grocery haul for you guys, because I wanted to tell y'all about this new like lifestyle thing that I'm gonna be doing starting pretty much. I vlogged a little bit last weekend and I haven't posted that yet. I need to edit that today and upload it, but I mentioned in there really quick that I was going to stop eating meat. I was gonna wait till March, but there was a really good deal with HelloFresh, so I wanted to jump on it because I used to use Blue Apron a couple times and I really loved it. And I was like, you know what? I'm ordering groceries. I got a HelloFresh order. Let me just do a grocery haul and talk about food and make this whole video about food. So we're gonna do that as soon as we get home. I think they're coming out with my order. So.
Nobody else, nobody else, nobody else.
You too, thank you.
Nobody else.
The groceries. I'm going to do a quick haul for you guys, and I'm going to show you what I got in my HelloFresh order. So some of this stuff is like cleaning, just like household stuff that I needed. Oh, okay. This came off. I got a new mat to use with my O-Cedar mop. And then I also got 2 packets of ranch dressing mix. Usually when I buy chicken, I get this big package because we all like chicken, and that way I can like break it up. And sometimes I'll get like 3 meals out of this package depending on what I'm cooking. Like if I'm doing like a crock pot meal, I won't need like 3 whole chicken breasts or something like that. So that is more affordable for us to get. I also got some boneless pork chops, and then I also got some ground beef, and then I got some olive oil because I'm all out, which never happens. And then I got 5 of these instant Quaker oatmeal apples and cinnamon. I think I'm gonna take these to work next week because I really need to do better about like eating breakfast, because the breakfast that I get from like outside, A, costs too much money, and B, it's not very healthy. So I've been wanting to like try something healthier. So I have 2 things of bananas, which I'm pretty sure I only ordered 1. I'm gonna have to double check. If not, there's a lot of bananas. And hopefully the kids will help me eat them because I really don't even like bananas. I just got them to be healthy to go along with the oatmeal. But my kids really do like peanut butter and banana sandwiches, so hopefully they'll eat some of that. This is for John. It's just some Coffee Mate hazelnut creamer. And I also got some unsalted butter and kielbasa. I'm gonna make jambalaya one night this week, and I really love kielbasa. Everybody in my family does. I am gonna try for the first time. These are savory garlic knots. I heard that they're really good, and I think I'm gonna make spaghetti tonight, so I'm gonna have these to go with it. So in this bag I have some red potatoes. I also got a can of manwich. I'm gonna try Paige Danielle's spaghetti recipe, and she puts a can of manwich in her spaghetti sauce. So I have never tried that. I don't even remember the last time that I had manwich. So we gonna see. I also got 2 ruby red grapefruits. I haven't had grapefruit in such a long time, and when I was looking for fruit to buy, these came up and I was like, ooh, it sounded so good. So I got 2 of these. So this is the Sara Lee Artisano bakery bread. Oh my God, it is so good. I love it because the slices are thick, so when you make a sandwich, it's not like thin bread. Like I hate that. So yeah, that bread is my all-time favorite. And then I also got a package of yellow rice for the jambalaya. And then for tonight's spaghetti, I got the Bertolli olive oil and garlic sauce. The next 2 things that I got were 2 cans of diced tomatoes. I always buy diced tomatoes. And then I also got some green bell peppers and strawberries, which hopefully they picked out really good strawberries. It looks like they did. One time they played me and gave me nasty strawberries and I was mad. And then I also got some frozen waffles for the kids. And this is a bag of frozen chopped onions. This is a lifesaver. I don't know why I've never gotten these before, why I just started buying them, because I don't always love chopping onions and that saves a lot of time. I got some laundry detergent and some fabric softener. This stuff isn't really fun. And this was pretty cool. So I originally put in the 4-ounce Gain little scent beads, but I guess they didn't have them, so they gave me the 10-ounce for the same price. So I only paid $3 for this, and I want to say that this is like 7 or 9. These things are so expensive, but I really like the way they make the clothes smell. And then I normally use the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap, but I ran out and I haven't been able to get my order from Grove, so I got the Dawn Pure Essentials Lemon Essence dish soap. So that's it for this grocery haul. I'm gonna go ahead and make us some lunch, and I'll show you guys what I got from my HelloFresh order, which I'm super excited. Oh, okay. So I love getting groceries and I love having food in the house, but I hate putting all of this away. So we're gonna go ahead and put this away, and voila. So for lunch, I know it's kind of dark, but for lunch, I'm just gonna throw on some broccoli, and then I have some leftover Parmesan crusted chicken that I made the other night, and I'm just gonna throw this in the oven and bake it. So HelloFresh was having a huge President's Day sale, and I had been wanting to try HelloFresh out for a while. Like I mentioned, I have used Blue Apron before in the past, and I really liked it. It was so convenient, and I don't have to think about meals. I don't have to worry about like cooking the same thing over and over again, because that is something that I hate, and I kind of get in this rut where I feel like I make the same meals over and over again. It just is boring. So when I saw the deal that they were having, I was like, you know what? This is like the perfect time to try it out. They have vegetarian meals, and that is something that I've been wanting to do, which is cut out meat of my diet. And I was like, you know what? Like, why not? So I ordered 3 meals. I have the bruschetta, zucchini boats, veggie chili rellenos, and garlic cream butternut squash agnolotti. And I got these 3 meals for 20 bucks, and they look so good. The main reason why I wanted to do HelloFresh was because I need help when it comes to vegetarian meals that are filling and not boring, and I'm not just eating like vegetables and potatoes. So yeah, I have never been vegetarian before, and I have been on Pinterest looking up vegetarian meals, and I created a whole entire board to like prepare myself for this whole thing. And the reason why I want to cut out meat is because I have been on multiple diets before. I've been like to the extreme where I've counted my macros and weighed out everything that I've eaten, and it just never works for me. And I end up eating like crap, or I don't know. I just really struggle with eating better. I am still not really happy with my body. And I just wanted to make a change, and I knew that I couldn't do keto because I just don't want to. And when I try to limit my meals, it really doesn't work because I get tired of it, or I get frustrated, or I have a bad day and I just want to eat my feelings. So I was like, you know what? I love vegetables. I absolutely love vegetables. The only ones that I really don't like are mushrooms. So I was like, why don't I just go vegetarian? Because then I could be more plant-based. If I don't eat meat, that will kind of make me stop and think about what I'm eating. So if I just want to run out and get food because I didn't pack myself a lunch, well, I can't just go to McDonald's, or I can't just go to Taco Bell because I'm not going to eat meat. And it may sound weird to you guys, but I'm just trying to do what's best for me, because things ain't working. So I'm really excited to cut meat out of my diet. I'm not sure if I'm going to eventually eat fish because I do love fish. I love salmon, but right now I kind of just want to go vegetarian. And I know a lot of people say like when you change your lifestyle and your diet, it's good to like transition, but that's not really how I work because I'm kind of like an all or nothing type of person. So I can't like transition because then I feel like I will never fully commit to being vegetarian. So yeah, when I talked to my mom about this, because she's pescatarian, she eats fish, but she doesn't really eat meat. She asked me like, are you gonna eat fish? And I was like, right now, no, but I might eventually add fish into my diet. I don't know if I fully like explain myself well enough because I know sometimes when I talk I kind of like ramble and I'm like, girl, what are you trying to say? But yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing how this whole lifestyle switch up kind of works for me, I could do videos for you guys and like keep you guys updated and, you know, just like keep track of how my body is looking. I also ordered some new like workout clothes. These are from Fabletics because they were also having a President's Day sale, which whew, President's Day was the clutch. And for being tall and a little on the, you know, thicker side, these fit so well. I wasn't gonna do a haul or anything, but I'm wearing this set today and I absolutely love it. These high-waisted shorts do such a good job at like holding in the tummy because that's what I need work on. So yeah, I think I've talked to you guys about it before, but I really just want to cut out fast food. Fast food is so hard for me to give up because when we have a really busy day and I forgot to take something out for dinner, or I just don't feel like cooking and I've taken something out, but you know, the end of the day is here and I'm like, I really don't want to cook because I had a really crazy day at work, or I just don't freaking feel like it. We always turn to fast food and I don't want to do that anymore. So now with cutting out meat, I'll be like, no, it's going to force me to make food at home because I'm just wasting money. Like I'm double wasting money by grocery shopping and then not eating the food that I'm buying and spending money elsewhere. Like I can't have it. So in that vlog that I have to edit, which should be up before this one, I went to Michael's and I bought a recipe book. Oh, my towel's hanging up, sorry. But yeah, I bought a recipe book. This is a Happy Planner recipe book. And I wanted to buy this to track my favorite vegetarian meals. So I thought that this would be really cute and it would kind of like, you know, keep me going and keep me motivated. Pinterest is amazing, but to be honest, sometimes I pin things and then I forget that I pin them. So I wanted to like actually write them down so I can have them and just have it like readily accessible, you know, near my other cookbooks that I have in the kitchen. I probably won't keep that in the kitchen because it's too cute and I don't want it to be messed up, but yeah. Hopefully this food is warmed up enough. I need to put this food back in the fridge. But yeah, hopefully lunch is ready because I'm really hungry. I haven't eaten anything. I don't think John's eaten anything. Oh no, he had a bowl of cereal and Jada had a bowl of cereal. I'm the only one over here being crazy. It is 1:45 and I haven't eaten a thing. Hey guys, so it's about 4:30 right now and I'm almost done editing this vlog. It will be up, today is Saturday. I know you don't really care, but it will be up either later today. I'm thinking about doing like a later upload maybe and seeing how that works out. Typically I don't upload on the weekends because I just don't know if people are gonna watch it, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I tried to put a little bit more effort into my vlogs. I mentioned in my Jaclyn Hill palette review video that I wanted to kind of like step my game up in 2020. I'm always really interested in like quality of videos and the little like editing touches that, you know, I see and that I admire. So I'm like, you know what, I am talented and I've been doing like little here and there. Like I love creating things and I think that's why I love doing YouTube so much, because I can create and just be myself and do what I want. And it started out with like thumbnails. I get a lot of questions about my thumbnails in like my DMs on Instagram and stuff like that. And I was like, you know what? I need to start putting this effort into my videos. I'm trying to step my game up and, you know, just do more because I'm excited and to like, I just enjoy this so much. So it's taken me a good little minute to edit this vlog. Well, not this vlog, but the one that I'm working on. But I think you guys are really gonna like it, so I'm excited. Since I get a lot of questions about my thumbnails. Actually, maybe I should make a video about how I make my thumbnails. Hello, hello puppy. Hello, puppy, puppy. Hello. Don't you lick my face. Hello, no, my goodness. He's a sweet boy. He's a sweet boy. No. Too much, too much. I'm getting tired. I think it's like a little before 9. Ugh. Shutting the house up because it's going to be cold tonight. The vlog is uploaded and it will be up Sunday the 23rd. I can't do this. I need to get bigger screws so I can hang my shelf to put my plants on because I don't want my plants on the windowsill. So yeah, like I said, I uploaded that vlog. It will be up Sunday the 23rd. And then I will edit this one tomorrow. I'll vlog a little bit tomorrow if we do anything, and I'll edit this one and I'll have that up like a couple days. So here is the set that I was wearing today. Is these really cute like camo shorts. I really like them. And then this really cute like light blue top. It's very lightweight, but it feels like really good quality. And these shorts are amazing. The band is so thick. So it really like holds everything in. That's goals right there. That's goals. But yeah, so far I'm really loving them. And then I guess like if you're going to work out in these shorts, which they're, you know, you're supposed to, there is a pocket right here to like put your phone in. It's pretty shallow, but if you wanted to hold like your ID card or your phone or something like that, you could. So yeah, I think this is really cute. I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night.